जुगलबंदी है ये, हुनर की, कला की, रीत है ये, परंपरा की। फूलों की महक से रोशन है ये उत्सव, कारीगर की कला से सजा है ये उत्सव। आइए पहचानिए, रुई और रेशम की जोड़ी है, साथ हैं सोना और चांदी भी। अब इसमें मेजबान कौन और मेहमान कौन?
Tanishq is back with a collaboration with Tarun Tahiliani for the second time to captivate the hearts and minds of all the young Indian brides this wedding season. We have two key directions in this collection. One is the drape story and the other is Phool Chadar.
So Phool Chadar just means really a blanket of flowers. You know, Indian women love flowers. It's such a huge part of our culture. And so from that we extrapolate things that we wove in brocade, we embroidered, and now has found its way into the jewelry.
Drape is a key inspiration from Tarun's wedding couture collection.
I've always found that a very beautiful and particularly Indian thing because it's sensual and essentially a drape molds around the body. So the drape story really is reference to the way we drape textile in India.
These embroidery pieces are created with very delicate threads, and this has to be translated into a piece of metal and in 22 karat gold. And translating that, bringing in the right techniques, bringing in all the nuances of jewelry making is been the highlight of this collection.
ये उत्सव एक सोच का है, एक सोच जो एक कलाकार से शुरू होती है, एक सोच जो कई कारीगरों के हाथों से गुजरकर आप तक पहुंचती है और कहलाती है कारीगरी।
Anything Indian fine depends on karigars and craftsmanship.
Karigar is really at the center of translating a great design into a great product. The gold techniques we have used is a fusion of multiple techniques. So we have got chandak work, we have got wire work, rawa work, all of that coming together and creating 3D units. And that's really been the key in creating and translating embroidery into pieces of wearable art.
It's all based on so much incredible craftsmanship that I think each piece has its own unique, distinct individuality and specialty in terms of the way it's made. One of the things I've loved with Tanishq and the Riva campaigns, I always feel there's an emotion being transmitted. It's truly one of the most spectacular things I've seen.
This collection captures the pinnacle of craftsmanship through the combination of traditional jewelry techniques with a contemporary silhouette. It's really the skill of our designers and artisans which has made this possible in translating complicated embroidery into pieces of art. And these pieces are nothing like what can be created by machines. This is true craftsmanship and celebration of karigari and artistry.
जुगलबंदी है ये, हुनर की, कला की, रीत है ये, परंपरा की। आइए पहचानिए, यहाँ मेजबान कौन और मेहमान कौन?